Sampe master.
Sampe. Sampe, 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 sampe. Sampe to my fans out there, and sampe to everybody out there. Please, if you are upcoming artist, please run and come to All Stars Pro Touch Studio, where everything is happening.
Live and direct.
Live and direct. We have what it takes. Yeah, this is Engineer Initom, and this is our brother Charles Ede. So we are producing his songs, and as you can see, this is a great song, a choir song. Very soon it's going to be it's going to be great, and the world is going to hear it. So get ready, don't shake, just get ready. It's going to be This is the coming great songs that everybody is going to appreciate, because we have